Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. Today we got a cool one. North Spore. This is their easy grow. We got blue oyster organic mushroom grow kit. This is supposed to be a spray and grow. So, see right there. All we got to do is spray it. So we're going to cut this out. The directions are super easy on this. These things are supposed to be like some of the easiest mushrooms to grow. So we'll start out. We're just going to open up that little thing in the front. It's perforated around it. We'll slice an X, and then we'll spray it. And then we'll get our mushrooms, and then we'll cook them up. And I do believe this comes with, yeah, it comes with this little spray bottle. I found this at Walmart the other day though. It's normally like $8 or $9, but it was like $3, and it's got a nice little mist. So we're gonna use that, just kind of make it a little easier. But it does come with that. Got our little instructions, and then oh, you can see a little bit of the guy right there. Welcome to, let's take a peek. That's a lot. It's ready to go, I think. So anyways, let's put the top back on. They said this can sit pretty much, you know, they say put it by your sink or something like that. Because usually by the sink you got more water. And it should stay a little bit more humid, I guess. You're supposed to spray it like 3-4 times a day to keep it nice and moist. So let's get this torn off and we'll be right back. Alright, so we got that torn off. You can see what we got in here. And now we're just going to take our knife, slice from one corner to the next, and then actually here, and then here. Because if you try to go this way, it doesn't work. But anyways, alright, so let's get that done.
Okay.
Alright, so, oh, finger cut a little deep.
Oh no.
Should be fine. Alright, that's it. We're going to set that there. Actually, let's scoot the cutting board over. Look, right there. And then my helper here. Alright, get the sprayer. Give it a nice little mist. Get the top. Alright, that's good. And we'll just make sure we do that 3 times a day, 4 times a day. Make sure it stays nice and moist. And part of this, we do homeschooling, so we're actually using this as a chance. We're going to start learning about some mushrooms some, whether they like it or not. And then we'll have the mushrooms grow. We'll eat them. I think this is supposed to be like 2 weeks, and it should get started. So I'll probably go ahead and put this video out, just to let everybody know, hey, this is out there. So like, share, and subscribe. We're going to show the results here in a few weeks. And also, if we can make it happen, if we can figure out when those days are, right when it starts to pen a little, we're going to hook up one of our old cameras and do like a time lapse overnight and see if we can actually get them, you know, that'd be really cool. So, all right, that's it for now. Wait, I think we got something else on.
I wanted to say something, because how you were meant to spray it 3 times a day. You can spray it after breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh, that's a perfect thought. Yeah, I like it. Or if you got a really dry house, you could do it first thing when you wake up, then after breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, right before you go to bed. That's really smart. Good adding. All right, so we'll be back. And like I said, we'll see you again soon.